If you're still flying a drone, you are a century behind. This is the age of tinkering, and really just figuring out what else there is to a drone. Because the 21st century is not the age of flying, it's the age of experiments. But how do you experiment with drones that are fragile, expensive, difficult to reprogram? And that's where we come in. We are engineers and researchers from the Indian Institute of Technology, working on drones for the past 8 years. After successfully launching our flagship product, Pluto, we've now come up with a comprehensive aerial robotics kit, PlutoX. With this aerial robotics kit, you get an open source firmware, free SDK, comprehensive frame design, spare propellers, and a learning kit. Easy to code, crash resistant, and affordable for all your crazy experiments. So don't just get stuck to flying. Think of the PlutoX as a buddy for the lazy ones, a wildcard for the crazy ones, a friend who's got your back, a pet, a companion, a musician maybe? It compensates for your height, and once in a while for your lack of words. Fly it, build it, crash it, whatever you do, just be open to experiment.
It is a very useful platform. It is going to play a major role in revolutionizing hands-on aerial robotics by almost anyone.
And the best part?
We have 100 PlutoX kits ready to be shipped, and we are capable of producing 1,000 more.
We've already shipped out 50 of the PlutoXs, and 5 innovations have come out of it. Imagine if we were able to give out 1,000 boxes or 1,000,000. That is where we need your help.
We want to start a chain reaction of innovations with the community of tinkerers, creators, and makers who are open to experiment and have the freedom to fund their own dreams.
PlutoX, the most agile and modular aerial robotics kit.